Okay. So a quick question to everyone. How many subjects do we teach in Indian Talent Olympiad?
Three.
Three. Can anyone name them? Dipanshu, please turn on the camera.
English, science, and maths.
English, science. Ma'am, English, science, maths.
And which one is the favorite one of yours? Everyone?
Maths. Ma'am, science. Ma'am, science.
Okay. Roshika, you haven't answered it.
Science.
Science. And Mika?
English.
Okay. And mine is maths, but I teach all the subjects, English, maths, and science. Okay. So let's start with the class. Shall we start? Are you excited? Okay. So everyone knows that what they have to do. So they are having a bright smile, right? To start with the session. Okay. How is the weather around you, wherever you are?
It's actually very hot.
Sunny. It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
It's
Same
hot.
here.
It's just pleasant.
Ma'am, cloudy.
Okay. Like 2 days back, I think 2-3 days back on Sunday, no, on Monday. Like Monday, there was a very heavy rainfall in my area. Okay, and there was a very, like, very strong wind was blowing. Okay, so anyone feel the air around you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, only
ma'am.
when it blows.
when it blows. Okay,
By
anything?
wind.
Hmm?
By wind.
Okay, by wind here. Anything do you like know about the air? I would like to know from you first. What do you know about the
We
air?
can't touch the air. Air is a
Pardon?
mixture of gases.
Okay, air is a mixture of gases. Perfect. What is a gas? Ice.
Ma'am, it's like
Carbon
oxygen,
dioxide,
nitrogen, carbon dioxide.
Okay. And which one of is your favorite one?
Ma'am, oxygen.
Oxygen.
Why?
Oxygen.
Why is it important, or it's your favorite one?
Ma'am, because we breathe in it.
Because we
Wait.
breathe, we have to breathe it.
We breathe oxygen.
We cannot live without oxygen.
Okay, this
We
much everyone knows.
breathe oxygen and let out carbon dioxide.
And what we do, Mihika was telling something new. We breathe in oxygen and
We breathe out carbon dioxide.
okay. So let's start with the session now. Let's see how much we know about the today. I have a very beautiful thing, a beautiful topic, that is air here. Okay. So when I talked about the wind, okay, when I talk about the wind, when I said that air was blowing very strongly, very like here, so the moving or the motion, the movement of that air is known as here wind. It is known as
wind,
wind. It is known as.
Wind.
I'm going to ask everyone what is wind. So you should know about wind here. When the air is in the motion, it is called the wind. It is called the.
Wind.
Are we good here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as here, Aishri started with that air is a mixture of gases. Very good, Aishri. A smiley face for you. You have like correctly told me that the here air, what is air? Air is a mixture of different gases. Okay, Roshika, I would request you to not to use the pen on my screen. Okay. So here are some properties that we are going to study about the air. The first thing, so let me know from you that if air is around us, can you see air? Can anyone see air?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Why we can't see air? Because it is colorless. Because it is transparent.
Transparent. Ma'am,
Okay.
transparent.
There is no color of the air. Can we taste the air?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
If
it
we
is tasteless.
tasteless. How we can't taste the air, right?
No.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So and air occupies space, right? Air occupies space. Can anyone give me an example where we can say air occupies the
Balloon.
space?
Balloon.
Very good,
Balloon.
Roshika.
Ball.
Good job.
Ball. Football.
Ball. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, punctured tire.
Puncture tire. Okay, we can say tire. Mihika, Dipanshu. Hi, Anil.
Ma'am, I joined in two devices because this was running low, this device.
The batteries. Okay. Low. Okay.
Air pump.
Air pump.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we have discussed many examples where we have seen that air occupies the space. Okay. There was a very fun activity when I was learning air. I came back to my home from the school. What I did, I took a polythene bag. I hope you have seen or you have tried, all of you.
Yes.
I like filled the air and I just hit it, and the polythene bag was like
Yes.
burst out.
I've seen.
You have done?
Yes,
I
have
know that
also.
Arnav is one of the naughty students in my class. No? Okay.
I haven't done, but my father has done in front of me.
Okay. So I have done because I want to check how air occupies the space. So my mother told me, my mother was also teaching, so teaching me, guiding me that time. So I asked her how mama air occupies the space. So she told me here that okay, let's have a very quick, we have this polythene. She blowed the air and showed me that, okay, so you can see that air occupies the space.
Yes.
So it was. Okay. Air exerts the pressure in all the directions. Do we agree here? Air exerts the pressure in all the directions here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Now, composition of air. Air is not substance, but it is a mixture. As we know that air is a mixture of
Gases.
Yes.
gases. Air is a mixture of
Yes.
gases,
Gases.
right? Now, air is a mixture of some gases, some water vapors, some dust particles, right? What is that mixture of? Some gases,
Oxygen,
water,
Water,
carbon dioxide, nitrogen.
water vapor and dust particles.
right? And here we, Ashley has also mentioned some of the gases here, which were nitrogen, her favorite gas, that is oxygen here, a small amount of carbon dioxide that we release, And what happened in the, if we release the carbon dioxide, what is the role of
Plants take
carbon
it.
dioxide?
Plants
Okay.
Plants
take it and plants
Taking
release oxygen.
carbon dioxide for
Oxygen.
photosynthesis. Plants take
Perfect.
carbon dioxide for photosynthesis.
Okay, perfect. So my class, the students in my class are very intelligent. Perfect. Good job. So, and some other are the gases also. Okay. So oxygen that we inhale to survive, for the survival, it is very important. And the plants take the carbon dioxide, which we release. So that there is a balance between the gases in the atmosphere. Okay. So nitrogen is in the 78.11% here, and oxygen is here this much, other gases this much. Okay, so this is a mixture here. As we have done, we have already covered here that the air contains the water vapors. Air contains the water vapors. When the air comes in the contact with the cool surface, it gets cooled and fog appears. When
Yes.
when air comes with the cool surface, so it gets cooled and fog appear. Okay, everyone, this is done by everyone, I must say. When you open the refrigerator, the cool air comes to your face, towards your face, right?
Yes. Freezer.
Yeah,
Yes.
freezer. Thank you for correcting
Ma'am,
me.
may I tell something?
Okay, yes, Arnav.
When we take out ice cream from the freezer, when air hits the coldness of the ice cream, there is a fog coming out of it, cold fog.
Yeah, perfect. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I also
Yes,
love.
ma'am.
Now I am going to have ice cream after the session now, because you have like talked about the ice cream. Okay, everyone have ice cream in the summer vacation. Have fun.
like ice cream, but I can't eat.
Okay. Okay. So the presence of the water vapor in the air is important for the water cycle also. We are going to talk about water cycle. So anyone knows about the water cycle?
Ma'am,
Yes, Roshika.
the water in the lake evaporate, and when it get more bigger, it comes as rain.
Ma'am, it consists of the three processes: precipitation, condensation, and evaporation.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there.
Can
Mm, yes.
ma'am, the water.
Who is telling the answer?
Ma'am, Prathamni was telling Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Rithana.
yes, ma'am. The water in the river is when the sun heat is in the water in the river will go to the sky. Water vapor.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Then it will come as rain.
Okay. So here, all of you have ever ride a bicycle? Have you seen the wheels of it? So it moves in a circle, right? In a circular motion. So here also, if the water goes up, then they form the cloud here, and the rain comes back here, and we have the water. Again, the water is like moving from the earth to the sky and then coming back. So this is making a cycle here. Okay. So when the water gets evaporated, when the water vapors get evaporated, and this is called the process evaporation. When the formation of the clouds means the condensation here. And when the rain comes, so this is the precipitation. What it is? Precipitation. Are we good here? Are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the dust particles. Air contains the dust particles. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
My brother,
Yes, ma'am.
I have I have a younger brother. So he has a allergy of dust. So whenever he wakes up, he sneezes. Can you tell me why he sneezes? Why does he sneeze?
Because of dust. Inhale dust. Because of the dust.
And we can't see any dust like on the furniture or anything. I can't see any dust.
From where because he's inhaled.
Yeah, he's inhaling the air, and the air contains the dust particles.
Yes.
Okay. The presence of the dust particles in air varies from place to place and time to time. Okay. Now, whenever he okay, so whenever he here inhale the air, he sneezes, and because of the dust particles. So, do you agree here that when we are inhaling the air, we are inhaling the dust particles as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So is there anything that that prevents the dust particles to not to like we won't consume that dust particles during the inhale? Anyone knows about it?
Ma'am, the hair inside our nose.
Yeah, we have the tiny here and the mucus, okay, in the nose, prevents the dust particles to get into our body. But the dust goes into the body, some particles goes, and it causes the diseases. Like sometimes we are not able to breathe, right? We are not able to breathe properly.
Blocked,
Breathing trouble.
blocked nose.
Yeah, blocked nose. And some people also have asthma. Have you heard about this asthma? So this is a kind of a disease in
Yes,
which
ma'am.
a person suffers and has a problem in breathing. And whenever I there is one question, when I am a like I go to run, or you can say jog in the morning. So after some time, I breathe heavily. Why?
You'll be tired.
No,
No, because our heart pumps faster when we run.
no. Another reason? Anyone?
We need
Because
more oxygen.
right. Because here the demand of the oxygen, we can say the want of the oxygen here becomes
less.
high. Becomes high. That's why.